And let's remember what we do when we sight read. The first thing you must do, especially when we're sight reading only rhythms, is you must check your time signature. So let's look at our time signature. So that tells us that there's 4 beats per measure. So the 4 on the top tells us that there's 4 beats per measure. The bottom 4 tells us that the quarter note equals 1 beat. So we've got that going on. All right, so let's look at the top line. I'll give you a few seconds to look at it. And just let's clap it together. Remember, we're counting 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's the first measure. So count with me. 1, 2, count and clap. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Now, if you notice, this second line, the 4th measure, is exactly like the top line 4th measure. So that makes it fun. All right, so here we go. We are going to do the bottom line, and it's just like the ending of the top line. 1, 2, bottom line. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's do the same thing. This time, actually, we're going to do the whole thing, is what I meant to say. Let's do the whole thing this time. Here we go. 1, 2, we got this. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Want to hear it? All right, let's hear it. And that was it. All right, let's hit the next button. All right, here we go. Give you a few seconds to look at it. Remember, 4 beats per measure. It's tricky when we have a rest on beat 1, so watch out for that. Top line only. 1, 2, top line, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. How'd you do? Awesome. All right, let's look at the bottom line. Nothing crazy, so let's just go for it. Bottom line. 1, 2, we've got this. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's hit the next button. Easy, easy, easy. I know this is so easy for you guys. All right, here we go. 1, 2, clap and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. How'd you do? All right, bottom line. Ready? Oh, tricky. We have that rest on beat 1. Don't forget the rest on beat 1. All right, here we go. 1, 2, don't clap on beat 1. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Awesome. Let's do the whole thing. Ready? 1, 2, the whole thing, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. How'd you do? Great job, guys. All right, so I want to bring up this picture. And you see I put the counts in there because I want to remind you how to do that. And remember, I'm drawing these numbers with a mouse, which is a little challenging, not going to lie. So you see this pattern here. We counted 1 and 2, 3, 4. Remember why the 1 is in the parentheses? Because that is a rest. You still have to count it, but you don't make a sound. So you have to put it in parentheses. So you know it's still there and we still count it, but there is no sound because it's silent. All right, so let's look at this whole first line. And will you clap it with me? I just wanted to put the counts in to show you that when you have to do that, this is how you write it. You write the ands as a plus sign. That's the TT. They have to have two sounds, so you have to say one and in the numerical order or the counts. Okay, so here we go. Top line only. I'll move the cursor over here. 1, 2, top line. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3. Rest. All right. Hopefully you said it right. Let's do the top line one more time now that you see the counts in there. 1, 2, top line, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3. Rest. We'll do one last one. Yeah. All right. Here we go. We're not going to just look at it really quick. Look at it. All right. You got this. Top line only. 1, 2. We got this. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 1. Sorry. All right. Let's do the bottom line. 1 and 2. Ready. Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.